everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Loft credit card account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in Loft credit card login and press enter. On the next page where all of your search results are displayed, click on this first link that says Loft Card Community. As soon as you do that, you'll be taken to this page over here. If you'd like to apply for a credit card, you can click on the apply button at the left hand side of the screen. But if you already have one and you'd like to log into it, click on the sign in button at the top. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see this login area at the right hand side of the screen. Enter your username in the first text field. After you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password. Make sure to type it in correct. If you'd like to double check your password, click on the show link at the right corner or the eye icon in order to reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, then you can check this Remember Me box. But if you're using a public computer or a shared mobile device, leave this box unchecked before logging in. In case you've forgotten your username or your password and you don't know what to do next, go and click on this Forgot Username/Password link and follow the instructions to either look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. Finally, after typing in all of your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Loft credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.